Hello, this is Ken, and thank you for tuning in to the Model Building and Retirement channel. Just wanted to take a minute to thank everybody. It is my 1-year anniversary of starting my channel. That's right, just 1 year ago. And what an amazing ride it's been for me. I originally started this just thinking that family and friends were going to be watching, and almost immediately I found out that that wasn't going to be true, or the family is just much larger than I ever thought it could be. So just a couple quick statistics of how incredible things have gone in this year for me is right now, as of now, we've had 465,000 views on my videos. And I produced 133 videos in that 1 year, and also 18 live streams on Friday nights. So really exciting. And out of that, I got 7,200 regular subscribers, which tells me that I've got a lot more people watching that are just subscribed. So please hit like and subscribe below. It costs you absolutely nothing, but it does alert you to my channel. And every time I have a new video out, you'll be the first to know. So it just lets YouTube get me out there to more people. But the main reason I wanted to sign on here, besides my 1-year anniversary, is we just wrapped up season 1 of my live streams on Friday night. That was 18 episodes, and just wrapped it up tonight. And I just prepared a little special tribute to the guests and to my fans out there. It's just a way to just say thank you and just kind of recap the season. And we will be back again next spring. As far as my regular channel goes, I'll still be posting regular videos, and a live stream will be back next fall. So enjoy the little tribute I prepared for everybody, and appreciate the support. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.